Today I'm going to teach you how to make a pouch. So let's get started. First, you've got to take a piece of felt. I've cut this wavy so it looks nice. Now do it on the same on the other side. Now you cut it up. Next, you've got to fold this and check you've got enough room. Now, I've got to stitch both the sides. You need not stitch this because it's already folded. I'm going to do a blanket stitch. I've also updated a video on how to do blanket stitch. I've stitched on both sides. Now I have to stitch a button so I can close it. Stitch it over here, or you want it to be long, you can stitch it here. And then you can also add a string like this. I hope you like my pouch.